Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in your job. First, clearly understand your core responsibilities and expectations. Next, set measurable goals for yourself, perhaps aiming to complete 90% of tasks ahead of schedule. Regularly ask for feedback from your manager and peers. This helps you identify areas for growth and ensures you are meeting expectations. This foundational understanding is crucial for sustained success. To truly excel, go beyond your basic duties. Proactively seek out new projects or volunteer for tasks that align with your career goals. Dedicate time to continuously learn new skills, perhaps completing one online course every 3 months. When faced with a challenge, don't just report the problem. Come prepared with at least 2 potential solutions. This demonstrates valuable initiative and problem-solving abilities. Effective communication is a cornerstone of workplace excellence. Always communicate clearly and concisely, whether in emails or meetings, aiming for messages under 150 words. Practice active listening to fully understand your colleagues' viewpoints before responding. Invest time in building strong, positive professional relationships with your team members and across departments. Strong connections foster collaboration and a supportive work environment. Sustaining excellence requires continuous growth. Regularly reflect on your accomplishments and identify specific areas where you can further develop, perhaps targeting a 15% improvement in a key skill. Consider mentoring newer team members, sharing your knowledge and experience. Stay informed about industry trends by reading at least 2 articles weekly. This commitment to ongoing learning and sharing will keep you at the top of your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.